Hello traders, Manny D Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, March the 2nd, and our preview for the week. Let's quickly jump to our news items for this week. We begin today with 10 a.m. with ISM Manufacturing. No reports tomorrow. Wednesday, we have two key reports at 10 o'clock and 10:30, ISM and the crude. The OPEC meetings begin Thursday, all day Thursday, and most of Friday. And of course, on Friday, we have news at 8:30. Doesn't affect, obviously, our trading hour, but nonetheless, really important reports to keep an eye on. The market is very sensitive to news right now, so it's good to keep an eye open on any type of potential moves in the market that have anything to do with news. Let's quickly jump to our analysis chart here. So we can recall we've been talking about the break of the 200 SMA and this trend line here that we had here way back since June, confirmed it here in October. Market lingers around there, bounces off it. Next line, we had developed this level here of resistance as support as our next potential. Market bounces off there on Friday. What happens if the market breaks it? Remember, we're still at a 50% retracement of the overall run since the end of December. Remember, this is all of this beginning December 2018. This is all 2019 market high. Here is our huge correction. Market can still retrace to 61%. Now, if the market breaks that level, then all hell is going to break loose. And excuse my French, you're going to see volumes, absolutely incredible volumes, although that's what we've been having. Our ATR is over 65%. 65, I don't remember having that type of since way back here in December. Incredible. The volume has been absurd. We're averaging over 3 million contracts. And remember, we're simply looking for a 1.1 to 14 greater or equal to ATR to get some really good movement. The movement has been absurd. It's been difficult to trade these markets if you don't have a good strategy that can help you understand where the key levels are for you to be able to protect your stop. Remember, this is about stop protection because the swings are so strong that they can literally push your market and your trades off the kilter without actually being wrong, picking the wrong direction. Here's a much larger time frame here. Here's the compression. We're between this trend line to the downside here, this trend line to the upside here. There's our compression. The market can oscillate between these areas. Market is not going to stay there forever. Expectation, market breaking out of this level to the upside or to the downside. And we already have predetermined levels where the market can come and touch before or react before it moves any further. So you can see them here. Here's our first levels right here. If the market breaks, and remember, this is the level I'm talking about. If the market breaks, you're going to see a lot more movement, a lot more panic. But here's where we are right now. Don't fall in love with this side of this particular time frame. Okay, this is a time frame to give you a perspective, not necessarily to help you find trades. Now let's look at our closer to our trade chart here, and you're going to start seeing a little bit closer to home here. Let's go back to our analysis chart. Our trade chart here can give you a bit more perspective as to what we're looking for in reference to entries today. There's where we find ourselves right now. Here's our immediate break of a level. We have the longer term one here. Now this is where we're talking. This is where we find ourselves right now. Market breaks area. Market is returning back to retest this particular level here. This is basically what the market's trying to do, is retest this level here. So basically here is a clear compression here. A clear compression between this level here, this particular level here, and this particular level here. Again, what are we waiting for? We're breaking breakouts. We're waiting for the clear breakouts and continuations. Bounce off this area, expecting the market to continue higher. If it breaks through there, that's when our short scenarios take place. All right, so be careful. Do not rush this market. Make sure you place your stops before you place your entries, and just be patient with this market. Wait for the setup that's according to your plan. Take care and have a great trading session.